love the sound.
Yeah.
This is 3774.
Believe so.
I don't know what this one is.
Check on.
Oh, no, 3-1.
Oh, LVF.
No, I can see it says 37731.
Oh, okay.
Hey guys.
Yeah, that's all.
710-121.
Leaves a weaver light.
I hate when people call it the other lines. I just call it London Overground because I hate it.
Yeah, same.
It's just dumb.
Yeah.
So they treat it good. Oh my god, they're mugging us. Tramps. They're flipping mugshotting me.
They are roadmen or something.
They just started mugging me.
They are roadmen.
Gang members.
Yeah.
I'm such a weirdo. What the flip did I do?
I don't know.
Usually I wouldn't be swearing, but you're recording it. Not my swearing video.
It's going on YouTube anyway, so.
Yeah, no, that's the point.
Yeah. Whenever there's something goes on, like the first day or last day or bus events, there's always trouble. I don't know why. They're just here to ruin people's day.
It's like bus vexers come to play and ruin the flipping fun.
Yeah, I know.
Especially that one last guy.
I know.
This hand is just taking a picture of me. Like, what did I do? What did I do?
I think they're probably wanting to be cured.
I think they're here to make fun of like other enthusiasts. I don't know why.
Maybe it's because they saw you recording.
I was just actually recording a bus, but who cares? There's people gonna film anybody on the bus anyway, so.
God, it's right, man.